Hey everyone! Today we're replacing this older style MOEN bathroom faucet with a brand new single handle model. The old one's tough to grip, especially for our elderly family member, so this upgrade is going to make turning the water on and off so much easier. The faucet we're installing sleek, simple, and easy to operate. Before we start, I'm going to open the box, check that all the parts are included, and then we'll get started. Make sure the water supply is fully shut off before starting. Step 1. Remove old faucet. Start by checking the control valves. Make sure the hot and cold are fully off. Loosen the nuts connecting the faucet to the valves. I always use a tool to support the valve, so I don't accidentally damage the plumbing inside the wall. Once loosened, unscrew by hand the rest of the connectors. Be prepared a small amount of water might come out, so keep your bucket handy. Remove any adapters or clips holding the old faucet in place. Remove the screws and lift out the old faucet. Once it's out, use a Scotch-Brite pad to clean the sink surface thoroughly. Make sure it's smooth and free of debris so your new faucet will seal properly. Step 2. Prepare new faucet cushioning sticker on the back of the mounting plate to ensure a snug, stable fit. Slide the connector hoses through the sinkhole. Assemble the mounting hardware as instructed, usually a washer, rubber gasket, and tightening nut. Use the included tool to secure it firmly. Make sure the faucet is straight before fully tightening. Step 3. Install drain. Remove the old drain and trap carefully, saving any reusable parts if possible. Clean the drain hole thoroughly. Remove any old glue or deposits and scuff the surface with a Scotch-Brite pad. Assemble the new drain. Place the thin top gasket between the sink and the drain flange. From below, add the rubber washer and threaded nut. Tighten carefully, just snug enough to prevent leaks, but don't over-tighten. Reconnect the trap and remaining piping. Ensure everything is aligned and secure. Step 4. Test and finish. Turn the water back on and check all connections for leaks. Test hot and cold water, everything should flow perfectly. Wipe down the sink and faucet for a clean finish. And there you have it, an upgraded, easy-to-use bathroom faucet. No leaks, smooth operation, and much easier for anyone to use. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you have tips or tricks for faucet installation. I'd love to hear your ideas. We've got 3 more faucets to install in the same style, so stay tuned for more easy DIY upgrades.